up, you sexy travelers? Abba from around the good world here. You see all this stupid hair? That shit's about to go. Welcome to another Budget Travel Pro Tip episode. And today we're talking hair. First, let me explain. It is inevitable that since you're traveling for long periods of time, your hair will grow. And you would have to pay for a haircut. If that's not a problem or you just want to let your hair grow, then close this video and go have some fun. Oh, I see you're still here. That means you want a free haircut. Awesome, so here's what you have to do. Find the person next to you and ask him or her to give you a haircut. Hey, how are you?
Great.
Do you want to give me a haircut?
For sure.
If she says no, repeat until you actually find somebody who will say yes. It can just be anybody. Your travel mate, your hostel's receptionist, another traveler, some local, anybody. Probably now you're wondering,
should I let someone give me a haircut that doesn't even know how to do it?
yes, you should. You're the one who knows your hair, so explain them exactly how you want them. And while on the process, try to guide them as much as you can. Make the person who gives you the haircut feel confident and comfortable. For the perfect result,
You're gonna need a trimmer, scissors, a hairbrush, and some water.
so let the haircut begin.
Be relaxed and explain very specifically what you need, as this will make things a lot easier for the whole process until
Voila! See? Wasn't that hard? And the result is awesome! Just remember to believe in the person who helps you and make them feel confident the whole time is all you need. No, actually you also need to thank the person who helped you. In my case, Maria, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So that's all I had for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing as this helps the channel a lot. So see you on the next one, but until then, remember that spending less is travel more. Thank you so much for watching, be well, and see you next time!